Hi guys, welcome back to Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter free so that you can live stress free. We're doing something a little bit different today. I am at my local Dollar Tree out in Huntington Beach, and I just found a Goodwill Boutique. I've heard about these popping up. Goodwill has been going through their things and being a little bit more selective on their nicer things and displaying them in a much better way. It's the higher end things, and they're calling it the Goodwill Boutique. So we're going to check out what we have at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you the items that I love the most, and then we're going to check out the boutique. So let's go. So I want to talk about some of my favorite things that I always get from the Dollar Tree, and that is these small storage bins. These are usually found over in the kitchen section, but sometimes they're in their larger totes. These are awesome. They're about the equivalent of the Rubbermaid brand. They have the nice sturdy rubber bottom and the rubber feet, but I love that they can nest inside each other. They allow you to do a multitude of configurations. So I use these in closets, pantries, drawers, offices. I even use them for toys because they are so multi-purpose. So if you do hit your Dollar Tree and they're not there, it's probably because, once again, I bought them all. But truly, you guys, these are the best thing from the Dollar Tree. The other place that I always make sure I check out is the office area for labels, because I really like to label things clearly for my clients. So, you know, when you're looking at a pack of 60, that means you're getting 10 of each color. It absolutely gives you the opportunity to color code for people, and what a great price. An unexpected area for organizing is the hair ties, and guess what I use them for? That's right, I wrap these around games. So it's a great way to keep them neat and tidy and the pieces don't fall out. My last section for the Dollar Tree that I always like to go to are these baggies. They have such a wide variety of sizes. As you could see, they have some big ones that you can use for documents to keep safe, for larger photographs, scrapbooking. So make sure you check out the sizes, and when you're trying to organize your things, see if you can find something that matches the sizes, and it really helps you to protect the things that you want to save so that you can store it more easily. So they have definitely stepped up their look on this, which I like. If you didn't know that this was a Goodwill, you would just think it was another kind of small department store, but nice new fresh look. The real difference is when you walk in. They have definitely stepped up their aesthetic for how they're displaying their things. What I found is most of their end caps look about the same as my normal thrift stores, but they're really making a focus on color coordinating things so it draws your eye to it. I found a very large quantity of Target items in here, and you know, I know that Target exclusively donates to the Goodwill, and so you have to make sure that they're not pricing it the same as what Target was pricing it for, because I think that's a little shady. But for the most part, I really liked what I found in there. I thought the prices were pretty decent. I did find a lot of name brand items in here, so if you happen to find a Goodwill boutique in your area, I say check it out. I only found two small things that I wanted today. I found a little topiary and I found a little farm sign, and I spent a total of $6. So for me, that was a fun thing to do. Well, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you liked walking through the Dollar Tree with me and checking out the new Goodwill Boutique. I love trying to find new ways to use everyday items to keep costs down, and I gotta say, using the headbands to keep boxes closed, and it doesn't have to be just games, but anytime you have something that's popping open, whether it's a cardboard box, something for makeup, for files, I think it's just a great way to keep that down, and at 8 to 10 cents a piece, you can't beat it. Please make sure to click the like button. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please make sure to check that and the notification bell. I put new videos out every week, and I'd love to see you at each and every one of them. See you next time.